Watch your camera, he does like the headbutt.
Yes, sure. Excuse me, guys.
Yeah.
Hiya, I'm a photographer, and I'm just out about doing a bit of dog photography.
Sure.
Do you want a couple free photos of your dog?
Go for it.
What's his name?
Otto, come in.
Otto. Hello. It's an Australian Shepherd, right? They're one of my favourites.
Watch your camera, he does like the headbutt.
No, that's
His
fine.
party trick is headbutting the lens.
Oh, that's absolutely fine. Otto! British! Hello! Are they quite easy to train, etc.?
Yeah, yeah.
I was always thinking of an Australian Shepherd to get. Can we get some of him a bit closer to the sea, if possible? How long have you had him?
He's 2. I've had him about 18 months.
Are you able to come behind me so he sort of looks this direction?
Oh, he's gorgeous.
Hello. Hey, Otto. British. Hello. Yes, sure. I don't have a dog of my own, so I just go around taking photos of other people's dogs,
Fair
and then I
enough,
can play
yeah.
with dogs.